University education can be expensive, but could these universities exceed our expectations? Although a university is a luxury that is not available to everyone, perhaps the dream of many is here, among immense green campuses and historical faculties.
I'm officially a college student!
Stay to discover the most expensive universities in the world, then tell us if prestige justifies their price. Number 10. Nanyang Technological University. It was founded in 1991 and is located in Singapore. Although it is a young university, it is considered one of the best universities in the world and the fourth best in Asia. Its 200 hectares campus makes it the largest in Singapore. It has approximately 33,000 undergraduate and graduate students in its 8 faculties and schools currently. These are the Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Science, Faculty of Humanities, Arts and Social Sciences, the School of Business, and the School of Medicine, which has an agreement with the Imperial University in London. NTU, as the Nanyang Technological University is also known, has autonomous institutes such as the National Institute of Education and the Earth Observatory of Singapore. Among the schools that stand out most are the School of Engineering and Business, considered the best in Singapore for 13 consecutive years until today. Would you be interested in studying in a pleasant environment surrounded by nature? Its total annual cost is $19,000. Number 9. Oxford University. It is the oldest English-speaking university in the world. The date of foundation of this university is still a mystery, but there is evidence of teaching since 1096, and it's located in Oxford, England. The main rival of the Oxford University is Cambridge University, founded years later. It is considered that Cambridge is superior in scientific subjects, whereas Oxford is considered superior in humanities subjects. Oxford University has been the alma mater of 27 British prime ministers, 1 United States president, and at least 30 world leaders. It also has 52 Nobel laureate alumni, so it is no surprise that it is one of the best universities in the world. The admission system is quite rigorous and is based on academic merits and the candidate's potential. Do you want to share the same corridors that Bill Clinton, Oscar Wilde, J.R.R. Tolkien, and others went through? The annual fee is $28,700. Number 8. University College of London. It is a public university founded in 1826 known as the University of London and is of course located in London, United Kingdom. The UCL is the third oldest university in England. It highlights the School of Urbanism and Architecture as one of the most prestigious and important worldwide. There are 30 Nobel Prizes among the students and graduates of the UCL. Though their classrooms passed Mahatma Gandhi, the inventor of the telephone Alexander Graham Bell, Francis Crick, the co-discoverer of the DNA structure, and Chris Martin, yes, the vocalist of the rock band Coldplay. The annual payment per student is $29,400. Number 7. London Imperial School. Founded in 1907 and located in London, England. Considered consistently among the top 3 universities in the United Kingdom. It has specialties in science, engineering, medicine, and business sciences. It receives a large number of foreign students annually. 27% of students come from outside the European Union. It has 15 Nobel laureates alumni, and one of its most important contributions to society has been the discovery of penicillin, the developments of holography, and fiber optics. Among its former students are the most renowned scientists such as physicist Abdul Salam, pharmacologist Alexander Fleming, and astrophysicist Brian May. Do you know the name of this astrophysicist? He's also Queen's guitarist. The annual cost to be part of its students is $35,000. Number 6. University of Cambridge. It is the second oldest university in the world. It was founded in 1209 and is located in the city of Cambridge, England. The university has 8 museums, a botanical garden, and a library with more than 15 million books. Isn't that amazing? Among its buildings, some are of great historical importance. Together with the Oxford University and the Cambridge University, they formed a large number of the most outstanding scientists, writers, and politicians of the United Kingdom. It was the alma mater of Albert Einstein, Max Planck, Mother Teresa, and Stephen Hawking. Admission to this university is not easy, since only 30% of applicants manage to enter. Do you want to become a Cambridge genius? You only need $36,000. Number 5. Harvard University. Founded in 1636 and located in Cambridge, Massachusetts, United States, Harvard is possibly one of the most well-known and prestigious universities in the world. It is also one of the older higher education institutions in the United States. Harvard is a large and highly residential research university. It operates several museums of art, culture, and science, and the Harvard Library, which has the largest private and academic library system in the world, comprising 79 libraries with more than 18 million books. It was the alma mater of 8 presidents, among them Barack Obama, former president of the United States, 62 billionaires counting Mark Zuckerberg. Yes, Facebook was born in Harvard. To this date, Harvard has 157 Nobel Prizes, and among its alumni, it has 10 Academy Awards and 108 Olympic medals. To have the honor of studying at one of the most recognized universities in the world, you must have an annual schooling of $45,000. Number 4. Chicago University. It is a private university located in Chicago, United States, and is one of the most recognized and prestigious in the world. It was founded in 1890 and has 91 Nobel Prizes, taking the 4th place among the universities with the most Nobel Prizes in the world. Barack Obama was a professor for 12 years at this university. The institution is known for its interdisciplinary general education through curricula that emphasizes the learning of foreign languages and international studying opportunities. Many of its professors and students have played an important role in the economic, social, and scientific development. A clear example of its contribution to science is the creation of the first self-sufficient nuclear reactor, directed by Enrico Fermi. In addition, the business school of the university has been classified as the best business school in the world from 2006 to date. To be a part of its distinguished student body, you only need $47,800 per year. Number 3. California Institute of Technology. Located in Pasadena, United States, and founded in 1891, it is also known as Caltech, and the motto is, "The truth will set you free." It is recognized as one of the best universities in the world, and one of the few specialized in teaching and research in the fields of science and technology. Among the achievements of the university stands the discovery of vitamin C by researcher Linus Paulding in 1930. In the field of geophysics, the creation of the scale by Charles Richter to measure the intensity of earthquakes. It has 72 Nobel Prizes to date. Caltech controls and directs NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, which supports the Spitzer telescope. Possibly, it is the university with the lowest percentage of admission. Only 8% of its applicants manage to obtain a pass. Inside its installations, some episodes of the popular series The Big Bang Theory were shot, because it is the university in which the characters of this television program work. But it has not been its only television appearance. Scenes of The X-Files and Mission Impossible were also recorded on the premises. In order to further your science studies, you only need an annual schooling of $48,000. Number 2. Massachusetts Institute of Technology. It was founded in 1861 as a result of the industrialization of the United States, and is traditionally known for its research and education in physical sciences and engineering. It is located in Cambridge, Massachusetts in the United States. It has 5 schools and a total of 32 academic departments with a strong emphasis on research, engineering, and technology education. Over the past 60 years, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology has expanded its disciplines beyond physics and engineering and entered into the fields of biology, economics, linguistics, and administration. Its acceptance rate is one of the lowest. Only 8.5% of applicants manage to be accepted. It has 85 Nobel Prizes, 52 national science medals, and 34 astronauts. The growth of MIT, as it's known by its initials, is due to the result of the Second World War and the fact that the United States government invested in science and technology in response to the launch of the Sputnik program, which are the space missions executed by the Soviet Union. Its engineering school is recognized as the best in the United States and in the world. MIT has been recognized as the best university in the world from the year 2012 to the present. It has plenty of reasons to be the most selective university in the United States. The dream of every engineering student has an annual cost of $50,000. Number 1. Stanford University. Founded in 1885 and located in California, United States, it is the most expensive university in the world and also one of the most prestigious. Its first students were accepted in 1891, and since then it has produced 30 billionaires and 17 astronauts. The motto of the university is "The wind of freedom blows." Its reputation was also increasing as a result of the Second World War, thanks to its military research projects. Stanford has been the cradle of different technical and scientific companies such as Hewlett-Packard, Cisco Systems, VMware, Yahoo, Google, and Sun Microsystems. A curious fact is that SUN was the abbreviation of Stanford University Network. To date, it has 27 Nobel Prizes in its areas of economics, chemistry, and medicine. Stanford also stands out as one of the 10 best universities in the United States in the fields of electrical engineering, computer engineering, economics, business studies, and law. To be a part of Stanford, you will only need $65,000 per year. What about you? Are you considering a first-class education now that you already know the cost of these universities? Leave your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Until the next, guys.